Hi Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to this one vlog starting from Biba and Habibe! Hello!
Nakikita ni mo smile kay may dakadami.
Yes, you can do them in the cafe. Ngayong araw, Wonder Fam, we are getting a new high chair para kay Baby Nitro kasi ayaw niya sa high chair na meron na kami. Yes, baby. New high chair for the baby. Woohoo!
Bili tayo ng yung pinakasimpleng high chair na walang mga padding sa likod. Kasi pag merong mataas dito sa likod, parang feeling niya nalulunod siya.
Oo nga eh. Alright guys, so tara na. Let's go shopping. Alright, let's go. Don't fam. Let's go, baby. It's okay. You'll be okay, buddy. You're okay.
Maglakad.
Pag nasa loob na kami, maglakad siya. Delikado pag maglakad siya dito kasi may mga kotse.
Sa window.
Ang market room. Hindi na siya umiiyak.
Bibili ako ng
Nitro,
kimchi.
let's go inside na. Pasok na. Pasok na, baby. Ayun, dito na tayo sa loob. May mga food stand.
Bibili ako ng kimchi.
Mag-shopping din kami. Bibili si Shanta
Oo,
ng.
kasi wala na kaming pagkain.
Ayun. Ito siya.
Oo, nakikita ni Nitro.
Ah, gusto mo yan, Nitro? Gusto mo to? Yes. Alright, labas ka muna.
Ayan, mag-road trip muna si Nitro.
Swerte si Nitro, no? Kahit weekday ngayon, kasama niya yung mommy and daddy niya, no?
Yeah. Hey, baby, do you like something in Nitro? What? Oh, gusto niya ito.
Ready, Nitro?
Are you ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Go!
go!
Yee-hee!
Driving!
Oh, drive, drive, drive.
Press the button. Press this button.
Yay!
Driving!
Nitro, bye-bye. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
Hey!
Look.
Driving!
Yay! Nitro. All done.
Well done. Okay, dito to tayo sa Kmart. Wow, Halloween na. Ooh, it's a scary one. Nakakatakot yan, Nitro. Ano? Scary. Ooh. Shanta, addict sa mga damit. Oh.
Ang cute ng clip niya, di ba? Alam nyo, dito tayo kasi mura lang dito sa Kmart.
Yes. Yes, we're gonna get you your high chair. Your new high chair. Woohoo! Come on, this way, this way.
Tingnan mo, ang daming magagandang mga damit pang babae.
Wow, sosyal. Nitro. Hey.
Ano ito ba yun?
Nagsha-shopping ang baby. Nagsha-shopping. Nagsha-shopping. Hey.
Pampupo. Pampupo.
Oh yeah, pati.
Mag-toilet training na si Nitro.
Oo.
2 years and 4 months. So,
Yes.
tayo. Ang wala yung
Mga laruan, baby. Mga bibe. Oh yes, mga bibe. Gusto mo yan, baby Nitro? Mga bibe. Ano? Yes, gusto mo. Oh, what's that? Toys you want to play with? Hey, yes, so many toys everywhere. Hey, para isa, para kay Nitro. Itong bahagi ng store na to. Huh?
Look. But it's not the plastic I want. It's the...
It's like a woolen one.
Yeah, so it's more expensive. It's 145.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What happened to the cheap one?
I don't know. I guess...
Wala dito. We can try Big W.
Yeah. Yung wooden na yan, meron niyang ibang brand. Same na same, pero mas mahal. Like $300.
Nitro nagsha-shopping. Shopping, naghahanap ng mga laruan na gusto niya. Nagsha-shopping ang baby.
Do you like this? Nitro, do you like this? Do you like this? Do you like that?
What's that, Nitro? Yeah,
Oh,
twinkle
star.
star. Yeah, mga star. Ano? Yes.
These are the stars.
Basta kung nakikita niya na may bituin, nagaganon. Bituin. Yes, nagaganyan siya.
I look for the blocks.
What are you taking it, huh? Saan mo dadalhin yan? Nitro, what noise does that make? Whoa. What noise does it make?
What did you say?
You're not gonna say it, are you? No.
Sige daw, the other one.
Not every
So,
you're in heaven.
bilhin natin to, telephone.
Xylophone, so
Kasi
you can
mahilig
play
siyang
some music,
mag-ano.
di ba? Alright.
Tapos tingnan mo. Oh, ito, magugustuhan niya yun.
Oh, it's a steering wheel. Steering wheel. Look. Steering wheel. Drive the car.
So, hindi tayo successful sa Kmart kasi wala sila nung plastic lang na na high chair. Punta tayo sa Big W kasi dun din mas mura din. Pero mas mura sa Kmart, I think. Actually, yung tinignan ko yung Ikea na same lang na plastic na chair. $25 sa Ikea, $29 dito sa Kmart. So, mas mahal pa yung Kmart. Kaya lang sabi ni Dwaine, mas malapit yung Kmart. Kaya dito lang kami sa Kmart pumunta. Nitro.
The store. You guys need a hand in the mail?
I want to look.
No, that's okay.
Uy, Nitro, oh, gusto mo maging ganyan? Maging ganyan daw. Yan, bibili po ako ng boxing gloves kasi nagmamuay thai na ako ulit. Nung nagtuturo ako sa Siliman, nagmamuay thai ako dati. Meron na, ano ba? Meron na akong gloves pero wala na yun. Meron na, like, iniwan ko na sa Dumaguete nung umalis ako. Kaya bibili ako ng boxing gloves ngayon. Or kahit ano lang, yung ganyan lang.
Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Hi.
How did you say hi? Ayan, so wala silang high chair, ano, Dwaine. Oh, ka-cute. Uso na yan, mga ratan-ratan ba yan?
Walang high chair. Nakakalungkot. Ibig sabihin, we have to go to Ikea, which is medyo malayo.
Pero mas mura dun.
Grocery shopping lang muna tayo.
Sige, grocery shopping na muna. Dito, pagpapasok ka sa mga stores nila, kailangan ka mag-check-in. So, meron silang wipes sa side. Tapos, pwede kang mag-wipe ng cart para walang COVID. Itong bulaklak yan. Tapos, ilalagay natin yung disposal ng wipes dito.
Go sleeping.
Are you sleeping? You sleepy boy?
Sleeping.
Pag muna. So, ito, bibili tayo ng pagkain.
Alright guys, mag-shopping muna kami. Tapos punta kami sa Ikea.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, nandito na kami sa Ikea. Yes, parking lot. Ikea na tayo. So itong first time ni Nitro sa Ikea, di ba?
Uy, second time na.
Second time ba?
Second time na. Kasama natin si Dad at saka si Mom.
Alright, let's go Nitro. Tara na.
Kami nakita.
Pasok na. Ayun. Okay, so let's go on to film. Ground floor.
Tapos press. Tapos ako press.
Nitro, let's go. Ikea. Woohoo. You're in Ikea. Hey. Hey baby. You're in Ikea. Yeah. Woohoo. Wow. Nitro. That's it. Yun. Umakyat sa hagdan. So, was that fun? Was that fun, baby? Saya, no? Saya, ano? Saya.
Oh my gosh, nakita mo na naman yung mga fats ko. Uy, dyan tara na.
Okay, buddy. Let's go. So, naghahanap kami ngayon ng high chair. Hey, baby. Yes. Saan yung high chair mo? Hanapin natin, ano? Nandun? Nandun yung high chair mo? Sige, tara na.
Saan daw?
Wow.
Look, Nitro. Look, Nitro! Look!
Oh, look, what's that? Do they move?
No.
They don't even move.
No, it's
Oh,
just...
these move. Molasa.
Lasa.
Wait,
Puso. Here, Nitro, this
that?
one. This one. This one. Let me touch that one.
Oh.
Amoy na kung gusto pa nito niya. Bagang sagad din eh. Pero it's in a bucket, you know? Okay, it's wooden. It's mas maupay.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Alright, let's go find your high chair. Ah, there it is. See? Ito, ang simple la, maupay. Simple high chair. Ito, blue, ito.
Found it, Nitro.
That one.
Found it.
Let's get that one. Yay! We found the high chair.
I'll get that one, huh?
Sit there and
Because you
eat.
like that one, don't you?
Mas
Hey.
maupay.
Oh, does this come with it? No.
Yeah, you can tanggal it.
We don't need
you don't
that,
have
do
to
we?
buy that, yeah. Ito, oh, $25 lang. Look, he's sitting on the table. So cute.
Wow, you big boy. Big boy.
He wants to try everything. Hello. Uy, huwag kang aakyat dyan. Hello, umakyat. Umakyat na. Umakyat na, tingnan mo.
Delikado tong
Uy, may
baby.
rocking chair. Oh, patry na gudi niya. Uy, uloy. Tiny.
Be a big boy sitting in a chair.
Oh yeah, that chair.
That would be very funny.
He wants to sit on this table.
Sit on the table. I think we should just go.
It's just the same Hakrash. They have tables like that, so he thinks it's. What you want to transfer to the white one? Want to transfer to the white chair? Bye nag-slide din Nitro, ha? Look, it's a tent. It's a tent. You wanna go inside? Woohoo! Oh, he doesn't wanna go inside. He's so excited, Dwaine. He's so excited. Nitro, look. Look, Nitro, you can go in here. Ooh, look, you can go in there. You can go in there. Come on, let's go.
Sure,
He
buddy.
wants the tables. Makitable din yung bata. Hello po. Medyo mataba pa rin po ako kasi nag-adjust yung katawan ko. Nagbe-breastfeeding pa kasi ako kay Nitro. Kahit 16 months na siya. Magto 3 years old na siya. Kaya nag-adjust yung katawan ko. Nag-store siya ng fats para gawing gatas para kay Nitro. Kaya huwag po kayo mag-alala kasi pag natapos naman ako mag-breastfeeding sa kanya, alagaan ko na yung sarili ko sa fitness, okay? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Pero, nagbaboxing naman po ako.
Kayo mas strong.
Huwag kayo mas strong at saka mas stress na
Ayaw 21
may
siya.
mga fats pa rin ako. Yun lang po. Kung gusto kong sabihin, baka kasi may magreklamo na mataba ako. Yun lang. Look. So, this one. Look.
Here's
Kasi,
the seat.
that's blue.
Here's the seat.
It's a blue one.
Here's the tray.
Oh no, that's for the white one.
No, they're the same.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Just different color. And then we need legs. So where's the legs?
Adi man ang legs, Didi. Is that the one for legs? Because this one is the tray, see? There's no more. There's no more seat nga white. Is that what you mean?
I guess so.
Ay, wala nang white na chair. Sige, okay lang. How about this one? It's a different one. Is it a different one? It's a different one. It's not antelope. It's angular. Longer. Ano ba angular daw? Yeah, that's a different one. We're getting this one. Ang pinaka-simple, ang
Yeah,
pinaka-mas
let's get this
maganda.
one.
Do you have
Go.
everything
Yeah.
that you need? So, it says $7 for...
Cover. We're not gonna cover that.
No, not the cover. I mean, for that one, that's $7, diba? And then this one. Oh, you get the blue. This one, Dwaine. Come here. Get the blue one.
Blue tray.
Yeah, because you got the blue one.
Alright, let's go.
Ano mahulog? And then that one. Nga tanan may excuse me. I wanna check. This one has the white okay, color. Okay, sabahin may kulang-kulang. Sige, tara. Check out na.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, tapos na. We have the high chair na. Uwi na tayo and we're gonna feed Nitro in the high chair. Let's go home.
Sana successful ang high chair. Tingnan natin. Pero usually, gusto niya naman yung ano na yun, yung high chair na yun, di ba? Tara!
A few moments later.
There.
What's that thing?
Okay.
What's that white thing?
What thing?
This one. Oh, it's just tape. Is it a sticky one? So it sticks here. I think that's it. Oh, you're pushing Nitro.
Oh, sorry, baby.
Nag-lola. Nagtuo. Na, may daka na Ikea nga high chair. Mas maganda yung Ikea kasi simple lang.
Yes.
I want that one. If you like that one. It's blue.
I need a knife shot.
Ah, okay. Baan yung bantay?
Nitro! Nitro! What's got there? What's that? Oh, wow! It's a xylophone. Hey! Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay. So, here's a new high chair. Just something, ready, baby? Like that. Ooh, just hey. Ooh, that's easy. Look. Eating. Eating. Nope.
It's not hungry right now.
Throw on the floor.
Oh.
No. Bop. Yeah, you tricked daddy, didn't you? You tricked daddy. Yes, you did. Alright, Wonder Fam. Maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. Oh, may bagong high chair sa wakas. And Nitro got to visit Ikea. Yes, that's right. Yes. Maraming salamat sa panonood, Wonder Fam. At kita-kita sa sunod na video ng Dwaine. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.